Grade 7 learners of Quarter4 City Division, welcome to Quarter4 Week 8. I am Teacher Candy and allow me to be your math teacher for the week. Are you now ready to learn? Come and join me as we walk through this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to 1. Use appropriate statistical measures in analyzing and interpreting statistical data. 2nd, identify the different graphs used in analyzing and interpreting data. 3rd, apply the concepts appropriately in data analysis and interpretation in different fields in real-life situations. From the previous lesson, you have learned how to systematically collect and organize data, measures the central tendency and variability accurately. Now, let us apply these in analyzing and interpreting data. Let's start our lesson with a game entitled Work Me Out. All you have to do is to evaluate or find the 3 M's of the following given. Are you now ready? Let's start with this.
Enrollment in an exclusive school in the past school years: 1,204, 1,230, 1,391, 1,296, 1,199, and 1,210. Find the 3 M of the given data. Cedric's savings for the past 5 months: 520, 270, 490, 600, and 370. All you have to do is again find the mean, median, and mode.
Did you get it right? Oh, great! Let's try another.
A sales manager in a car company is planning to promote one of his 2 top salesmen to a supervisory position. To help determine who has a better performance, the sales manager made a table and compared their sales profile over the last 7 months. Presented in the table are the months, number of cars being sold by the salesman A and salesman B. Who do you think performed better over the past 7 months? Is it salesman A or the salesman B? Adults make decisions based on data in their daily lives and in the workplace. Reading charts and graphs, interpreting data, and making decisions based on the information are key skills to being a successful worker and informed citizen. Being an informed citizen includes understanding statistics and probability as well. Adults cannot make reasonable decisions unless they understand from where the statistics come. Data analysis and interpretation is the process of assigning meaning to the collected information and determining the conclusions, significance, and implications of the findings. Analyzing data, an important part of every experiment, includes recording observations and organizing the data into easy-to-read tables and graphs. If the data is not organized in a logical manner, wrong decisions or wrong conclusions may be drawn. Charts and graphs are essential in the workplace. Data from it are used to make decisions. Graphs are useful tools in that they organize data so the information becomes clearer. This organized information can then be used to draw conclusions, to make decisions, or to influence others. Data is organized in a variety of fashions, from charts and graphs to computer-generated spreadsheets. After carrying out investigations, scientists and engineers must analyze and interpret data. Scientists analyze and interpret data to look for meaning that can serve as an evidence. Often, scientists seek to determine whether the variables are related and how much they are related. Engineers use data to make decisions about the designs, including whether a given design will work, the economic feasibility of the design, and the potential alternatives. Graphs, tables, and statistics make data easier to understand. Adults create graphs for clarity and understanding, for themselves and for others. Graph or graphs is a visual representation of a set of values in relation to another set. Here are the types of graphs. Pie chart or circle graph. It is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. It is a type of graph in which a circle is divided into sectors that each represent a proportion of the whole. It shows the relationship among parts as well as the relationship of a part to a whole. An example of a pie chart is this one. For the bar graph, it is used for making direct comparison of data. The bars in the graph may be drawn horizontally or vertically to represent the information. It is a diagram in which the numerical values of the variables are represented by the height or length of the lines or rectangles of equal width. It is a pictorial rendition of statistical data in which the independent variable can attain only certain discrete values. Line graph. It is used to show changes between two quantitative data. Usually, one of the quantities under consideration is time. Points are plotted based on the relationships of the quantities, and those points are connected by a line. Picture graph or pictograph. It uses figures or symbols to show data. Each figure or symbol represents a quantity. The symbol used in pictograph is usually related to the data it represents. Histograph or histogram is constructed as a sequence of vertical rectangles. It uses also bars to indicate frequencies. However, the bars in the histogram do not have spaces in between them. This is because histograms are usually used to represent continuous data.
Let us check if you learned from this lesson. An activity entitled Let Me Decide. All you have to do is to decide what appropriate statistical measure can be applied with the following situation. Answer the following questions.
Number 1. The number of COVID active cases presented by DOH in the past 5 months for Cebu province. Number 2. The following are the favorite snacks of 120 grade 7 students of Ocania National High School. Analyze and interpret the given data so that you can answer the following questions.
That's great! I am now certain that you can answer our activities. Good luck! Congratulations! You did it! You are now ready to proceed to our final activity. Amazing! You've done a great job! You have completed this lesson and ready for the next.